Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
कुछ दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे पावर पॉइंट कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 मिनट है ना, एडमिट कर रहे हैं सर, जो ज्वाइन कर रहा है। हाँ हेलो।
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
साउंड इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी विल सी सम PowerPoint is there, okay, that we will see, okay, then after that we will just see the book, okay, what is there, okay. So in PowerPoint, standard unit of medicinal strength, okay, uh, what will be the medicinal strength of the drug materials, okay, that we will see. While Hahnemann observed that plant moisture is a part of medicinal substances, the modern view is that the plant moisture content merely as a vehicle or medicinal and forms no part of medicinal substances. Means what contents are there, okay? What is in plant or what juices are there, okay? What moisture is there that he thought he is not the medicinal part, he is just the moisture part, okay? And that can be separated separately, okay, that cannot be taken as a medicinal substances, okay, he has told. Then class hello.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then actually from old method to new method, why we came to from old method to new method of preparation of drug substances, okay. In old method, the biggest problem was drug power, okay, because there are 9 classes and for different classes you have to remember the drug power, okay. Then what happened later on, this American Institute of Homeopathy, okay, and the European Committee of Homeopathy, they have decided in 1988, okay, they have decided what to do with all these things, okay. So they have then decided just they will keep it normal, like 1:9 and 1:99 ratio. Okay, just to keep in this ratio, they have given a new method of preparation of drug substances. Okay, so here one important thing is there related with this moisture content is you have one small practical how to determine the moisture content of any drug material. Okay, how will you know the moisture content of any drug material? So what Hahnemann has told about this moisture content, while Hahnemann observed that the plant moisture is a part of medicinal substances, but he has told it is just a merely constitute, not the medicinal substances. Okay. The dry fruit substances is to be taken as the starting point from where they calculate its strength, and the mother tincture contain all the soluble material of 1 grain of the dry plant to 10th minimum of the tincture. Okay, that is 1:9. Okay, here what you have to keep is one part of the drug substances and 9 minims of your uh, these juices will be there or alcohol will be there. Okay, that everything I will explain in our books also. Okay, I will just tell, just I want to see if like we want to see any PowerPoint, is it possible to see in your you can look in your mobile or not. Okay, but I think it needs more this net na. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so can you see in your mobile these PowerPoints?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
In accordance with the suggestion made by the American Institute of Homeopathy at Niagara Falls in 1888, not 1988. Okay, the Pharmacopoeia Committee has prescribed the necessary rules to make the dilution to proceed in a medicinal strength with trituration of the same number. Okay, it's just they have decided what medicinal substances they are triturating and what medicinal substances they are doing succussion. The ratio will be same, and drug strength, it is not a drug power, it is the drug strength, that will be same, that is 1:9 or 1:99. Then moisture content. Okay, what is the moisture content of any plant? Moisture content of a plant is the amount of juices contained in a plant. Okay. Hahnemann considered the moisture content as a part of active constituents of the plant, and preparation were based on the consideration. Okay, so this moisture content is just juicy part of the plant that is just dissolved in the liquid. Okay, but the strength of tincture varies due to the variability of moisture content in the same plant at different time seasons according to the growth, procurement and storage. Okay. Hello. हाँ सर, नहीं है सर, वो एक्चुअली क्लास ले रहे थे, बोलिए ना। हाँ, जी सर। हाँ, पता नहीं सर, मैं तो डॉक्यूमेंट लेके गया ही नहीं। ओके सर। Then this storage will be there. Okay, so any moisture content of any drug material or any plant totally depends upon the season, in which season that plant is growing. Okay, what is the place, what is the environment of that place, okay, and what are the conditions of the growth. Okay, means which type of condition you are giving, from artificially you are cultivating, or just you are just cultivated by its own, or you are like a exogenous in its origin. Okay, like that. Then upon all these things it depends. Okay, then what are the parameters by which you can know the moisture content of any drug material? Okay, here on 5 methods are given. Okay, but normally we just use the distillation method. Okay, separation of measurement of moisture content. Okay, just we dry up 3 to 4 times. That process we use in our lab. Okay, so gravimetric method, loss of drying as per HPI. Okay, that is gravimetric method, means again and again we see the drying up of that drug material. Okay, and after a limited time we just calculate the moisture content. Okay, that we will learn later on. Then separation and measurement of moisture. Okay, that is by distillation method. Then gas chromatography method. Okay, gas chromatography method. Then chemical method by Carl's Fisher and titration. Okay, then spectroscopic method. Okay, so remember this, just if it is possible you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, because these 4 methods are important. Okay, determination of moisture content, what is these 5 methods here for the moisture content. Okay, gravimetric method, separation and measurement of moisture, gas chromatography method, then chemical method by Carl Fisher trituration, and spectroscopic methods. Okay, then extraction. Extraction is a process in which the active and soluble constituents of a drugs are separated from the inert insoluble portion by the use of appropriate solvent. Okay, solvent, always remember where solvent word is there, that is slash menstruum slash vehicle, liquid vehicle. Okay, solvent and menstruum is synonymous, remember. Okay, don't confuse when you get this in your book. Okay, solvent, menstruum is same thing. Okay, where we dissolve the juicy part or the pulp of any drug material. Okay, so this is principally done in the homeopathy by the process of maceration and percolation. Now important part is, remember, maceration and percolation is 2 method of preparation of drug from new method. Okay, what are the 2 methods?
Maceration and percolation.
Percolation.
Maceration and percolation. Okay, these are the 2 method. Okay, percolation, Percolation. Okay, maceration and percolation. Okay, question comes like that, what are the new method for the preparation of drug material? Okay, so just you have to write maceration and percolation. Sometimes difference comes, write difference between maceration and percolation. Sometimes question comes like write only about the maceration process. Sometimes question comes like what is the process of preparation by the percolation. Okay, percolation is just done by the process of percolator. Okay, okay, next is the maceration. Okay, maceration. Are you able to look this photo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jar is there. Okay, that is called as a macerating jar. Okay, maceration process is by this jar. Big jars are there in any pharmaceutical company. Okay, it is just like a steel drum. Okay, this is called as a macerator, macerating jar. Okay, remember it is just like a big steel drums. Okay, it is the process of removing the active principles from a drug by allowing the latter to remain at room temperature in contact with the solvent for several days with frequent agitation. What is the meaning of agitation? Frequently, okay, at a fixed time you have to just shake it, okay, you have to every day you have to shake it, okay, means just you have to give some you can tell just to give some jerk, or okay, just move it, okay, so that it can dissolve properly, okay. So all the alkaloids or the drug material that are dissolved in the vehicle, mostly what vehicle we are using is the alcohol, okay. It is the process, just we are taking the pulps of different drug materials, okay, like suppose marigold, okay, just we will take some leaf is used, we will take pulp of that marigold, okay, and as per HPI ratio we will maintain, and we will just keep it in a macerating jar for a long time, okay, so that it will dissolve in that macerating jar, and all the drug materials or which alkaloids medicinal quality is there, that are just dissolved in that thing, okay. This is preferably in treatment of large quantity of drug material needing ample time for extraction of medicinal properties, okay, means for large quantity of drug material we need, okay, but for which type of drug? Gummy mucilaginous substances with viscid juices, okay, means this type of drug material, for which type of drug material we do maceration, which are gummy in nature, which are mucilaginous in nature, and which are viscid or juicy, okay, slightly harder, okay, means it is just slightly harder than what drug materials are used in the process of percolation, okay. That's why we have to keep it for a long time, okay, and we have to just make it dissolved in alcohol, okay. Anything? Plant moisture is a certain and quantity of menstruum calculated accordingly, okay, means how much menstruum you are getting, that you have to calculate it related with your plant moisture content, okay, means how much menstruum you will get by calculation, okay, that everything is in our HPI, okay, but by that process we can understand, okay. Then drug is reduced to pulp in a glazed mortar, okay, means this drug material what we are making, okay, that first we just make in a small pulp, okay, so we can use mortar and pestle, we can just use chopping board and chopping knife, okay, that which is more feasible and which can change it to a small pulp, okay. Then place material into a macerating jar, add pre-calculated quantity of solvent jar in a stopper to prevent evaporation and agitation daily, okay, means every time you have to shake it, and you have to keep in jar, okay, it should be away from the direct sunlight, okay. Then time required is 2 to 4 weeks. Again, remember it, it is important. How much time 2 to 4 weeks is? How much time? Hello?
Up to 1 month. Up to 1
It
month.
is 15 days to 30 days. Okay. 2 weeks to means 14 days to 28 days, or 15 days to 30 days. Okay. So means
Okay.
you, when you are making one, okay, drug material or a mother tincture by the process of maceration, okay, you have to wait for this much time to make a mother tincture by, okay, by the process of maceration, okay, means you can tell it is a long planned process, okay. You cannot just plant today I will make mother tincture and tomorrow you will start making medicine, okay. You have to plan at least 1 week before, 1 month before, okay. And it is 2 to 4 weeks, means it is just like the some drug need 2 weeks, some drug need 21 days, some drug need 22 days, some drug need 30 days, like that, okay. That's why they have just made it a common 2 to 4 weeks, okay. It is not like that ki every drug, some drug only need 15 days only, okay. So this decant clear supernated liquids and press out the residue, throw out a brush or a clean linen cloth or a bag, okay, means you already know when it is time is completed, just you have to use some sieves, okay, already you know sieves, okay, that what will help you to keep the pulp out, okay. Already you all have made tea, okay, you know how to keep out the this tea and other things, tea leaves from the what tea you made, okay, liquid tea what you made, okay. So like that you have to you have to use linen cloth, okay, and you have to just use other things, and with the help of press you have to just keep this juicy part separate from the pulpy part, okay, after 2 weeks or after 4 weeks, okay. Having allowed the mixed product to stand 24-hour, okay, filter. After filtration, you have to keep it for 24 hours, okay. Means first you have to pulp the, okay, in small pulp, okay, then as per HPI, just you have made a ratio and you have kept in a macerating jar. You have kept it for 2 to 4 weeks. After that, okay, you have just every day you have to shake it, okay, means just you have to give some threshold energy, or just you have to keep it some threshold, means jerk, okay. And after that, when you have filtered it, okay, with the help of linen cloth, what you have to do, just at least for 24 hours you have to keep it, okay. So this process is called as a maceration, okay. Then percolation. Are you able to see this percolating jar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the percolator. Already we have, you have seen, okay, in our lab, percolator is there. Okay, so this is the process. Instead, we have to keep the percolator, and by process of percolation, we just make the mother tincture. Okay, it is a it is a process of extraction constituents of the drug as a preparing the mother tincture by the passing of a solvent through the power drug contained in a suitable vessel called as a percolator. Remember it, percolator, okay? Because this arrangement of percolator is also an important part in your exams, okay? How these percolators are arranged, okay? What will be the arrangement of filtration things inside the percolator, okay? For for a definite period of time as per direction specified in the pharmacopoeia, okay. So whatever will be the arrangement, that everything will be as per the pharmacopoeia, okay, that we will see in our book, okay. Then gravitation, what type of forces are applicable in this process of percolation? Gravitational force, weight of the column of liquid above the powder, okay, then force of the capillary, then viscosity of the material what you are using, then adhesion of the packed drug material and drug substances, okay. All these things are just forces what helps to the to make you the mother tincture as the by the process of percolation, okay. Gravitational force is important, okay. That's why everything come from upward to downward, okay. One what things you are keeping, okay, in your this percolating jar, okay, that will come down, okay, and that you have to drop by drop you have to collect, okay. Then then percolation is adapted for extraction of dry vegetable and animal substances. Okay, means normally this type of drug material, what drugs are used for macerator, that are different, their quality is different, and what drugs are used for the percolator, that drug material and quality are different. Okay, normally this drug material what is used in percolator that are softer, okay, and what is used in the macerator that are harder, okay, means that's why they take more time to dissolve in alcohol, okay. Then the utensil in which the drug is packed is called as a percolator, okay. The in which utensil it is kept, okay, that utensil is called as a percolator, okay. Then communication, moistening of the drug, then packing of the drug, then percolation, then termination of percolation, okay. So this is the total process in the process of percolation, okay. Means first you have to make the proper layer in that percolating jar, okay. Then after that you have to moisten the drug material, okay. Then the drug material will be packed inside the this uh, percolating jar, okay. After that it will come out drop by drop, okay. That is the termination of percolation, okay, at the end, okay. So that you will get and you have to collect it, okay. and that also you have to keep for some time. If you wish, you can just uh, filter it also. Okay, if you are not uh, uh, means confirm about the key pulp has not came, but normally the whole total pulp is out from this in this process. Okay, then comminution. Okay, drugs should be reduced to particles or more or less fineness. Okay, just that is also called as a pulp. Okay, how much small size you can keep, that will help you to just dissolve in a alcohol or in any other type of vehicles. The degree of fineness should be comparatively with the specification mentioned under each monograph in the pharmacopoeia. Okay, which type of drug material should be cut in, how much size and how it should be dissolved, how much vehicle is needed, how much drug material is needed. Everything is there in the already explained in the pharmacopoeia book. Okay. Then moistening of the drug. Before packing the drug in a percolator, it is moistened with the menstruum. What is the meaning of menstruum?
Vehicle.
Vehicle or any solvent. Okay, so normally our solvent is vehicle. Okay, liquid vehicle is our solvent. Okay, so don't confuse with menstruum. Okay, menstruum is different, magma is different, pulp is different. Okay, pulp is just a small part, you chop it, okay, and cut it, that is called as a pulp. Okay, so that when the drug comes in contact with menstruum, the compresses dries cells are solid to their normal size, and in this swallowing occurs within the percolation, it would cause sufficient expression to spoil the percolator. Okay, just sufficient things you have to keep. Okay, actually in this percolator different layers are there. You have to put cotton, you have to put sand, you have to put a small size these marbles or a small size of stones. Then you have to keep bigger size of stones. Then you have to keep some other things like silica. Okay, so all these things you have to keep in your percolator. Okay, then packing of the drug. Okay, here one thing is there, TOW. Okay, what is the TOW? Remember, once it came as a short note of 2 marks. TOW, a special sieving arrangement. Okay, that is called as a TOW. Absolute cotton in the neck. Okay, in TOW, what happened at the neck part? There is cotton is there. Okay, remember it, TOW. Okay, then layer of coarsely powdered glasses are there. Okay, then layers of finely powdered glasses are there. Then thin layer of coarse glasses are packed. Okay, so this is just glasses are there in TOW. Okay, but in normal percolator you can keep sand also. Then over this, the moistened pulp taken care that the mass is compact and free from the fissures. Cover the upper surface of the mass with a disc of filter paper or a thin layer of finely powdered glass at the fine white sand. Okay, that you can keep silica sand or you can keep just glasses. Okay, powdered glasses. Okay. Then percolation. Okay, process of percolation. Pour, okay, this menstruum or solvent or vehicle in a divided quantity upon the content until the mass is covered, allowing the fluid to run gently down the glass rod. Okay. Close percolator with the lid to prevent dust. Okay, just when after every process is done, you have to cover your percolator from the top. Okay, close percolator with lid to prevent dust. Close valve. Okay, close valve as soon as fluid begins to drop and allow the 10 to 24 hours. Do not to allow flow the exit 10 to 30 drops in a minute. Okay. Okay, after that it will complete. We will start in Google. Okay, I will just send you link. Okay, because in Google there is not possible to schedule. Just directly you have to send link. Okay, it will be okay. Na Google Meet. I will send you link. Okay. Termination of percolation. Residue left after process of percolation called murk retain or a considerable amount of the moisture presses it strongly to extract the remaining tincture from it. Add sufficient moisture to make the required volume. Okay, suppose you are just you have made the mother tincture. Now what ratio is exactly given in your pharmacopoeia, that is not followed. Okay, so you can just put some extra manistrum also, that is extra solvent or alcohol also you can put. Okay, because you have to maintain the ratio of drug material and the vehicle in mother tincture. Resulting tincture is thoroughly filtered paper into a glass bottle and marked with the sign theta. Okay, that is mother tincture. What is the sign of mother tincture? This theta is there. Okay, so this much is there. Okay, so just I want to show you these two things. Okay, percolator and macerator. Remember this is the percolator. Okay, are you able to see na?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
this is macerating jar. Okay, because now it will be easy to just see by book. Okay, so we can now go to book also. Okay, so I will say just now you need 5-minute break or what?
No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
so no. Okay, so then I will send you. Okay, uh, link.
सर हेलो
हाँ बोलो.
हाँ सर, मैसरेशन और पर्कुलेशन में एक मेजर डिफरेंस क्या होता है सर?
मेजर डिफरेंस, एक सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस है टाइमिंग का. ओके,
हाँ
ऑलरेडी है बुक में, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. मैसेरेशन का टाइमिंग होता है 2 वीक्स टू 4 वीक्स. पर्कुलेशन का
Yes,
टाइमिंग
sir.
होता है 24 to 48 आवर्स. ओके,
Yes, sir.
वो पूरा है ना, हम लोग अभी बुक में पूरा डिस्कस करेंगे, है ना. पॉइंट्स हैं,
Yes,
5
sir.
पॉइंट्स हैं, पूरा डिस्कस करेंगे, है ना. और वो इम्पोर्टेंट भी है. हाँ, वो इम्पोर्टेंट भी
ठीक
है ना, वो आता है.
ठीक
तो
ओके
ठीक है, मैं इसको क्लोज करता हूँ, एंड करता हूँ. ठीक है.
ठीक ओके सर.